You are watching Learn with Shimani. Hello children. Today we will learn alphabet C. C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. C for cake, C for cake, C for cake. C for car, C for car, C for car. C for cap, C for cap, C for cap. C for cup, C for cup, C for cup. C for cow, C for cow, C for cow. C for carrot, C for carrot, C for carrot. C for candle, C for candle, C for candle. C for camera, C for camera, C for camera. C for cabbage, C for cabbage, C for cabbage. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and please press the bell icon for notification.